Hello? Oh, what a little lawn just for everybody. Hello. Good afternoon. Did you find a good perch? Did you find a good perch? Are you going to sit with Mama? Yeah? Oh, he does not like the dishwasher on. But Mommy's very happy because she ran the dishwasher today. You may not like it, but Mama's very proud of herself. Sorry, baby bear. That's just life. It's gonna be okay. It'll all be over in a little while. Oh, cutie bear. I don't think he's gonna be able to be comfortable for the next hour or so, but I can't reach you, baby bear. I can't reach you to pet you. It'll be alright, though. It'll be alright. Here, how about... Hold on, I'll put out the light. Hold on. There! The light's out. Is that better? I guess it is. Love you guys. Bye.